Last video me telling you say me have a flight to catch though. Just reach back. And that was Good Friday. You see it? So yeah man, touchdown in a Jamaica Good Friday for the Easter, you see it? End up spending about 10 days. The real reason why I went still because it was my grandma's first birthday in heaven, April 2nd. You see me? Rest in peace, mama. Yeah man, so I just want touching at the place and just go chill with her. You see me? Chill with her and make sure say her look a spot which part she go and rest up. Everything clean up and nice up, you see it? And link up with one or two family members and things, you see it? So that was the real reason why I went to Jamaica. Yeah, and while I was there, make two look a circle, make two look a link, and one of my cousins them forward, same way. And say, yo, if Muda go Kingston for like the carnival events and them thing there. Mind you, we just to Jamaica just for the Easter weekend because a long weekend and I know I never really have any work to do and anything like that. So I say, alright, mama birthday I gonna be the Tuesday, so I say why not? You understand? And maybe not drown myself in a work. So I just say, I need a little break. And mama first birthday in heaven. So yeah, touch Jamaica. You understand? How we did it. Cousin say town and Thursday forward. I would just go to bomb Thursday evening about 5:30 them time there. I left from Westmoreland. And it so happens where she planned, like she did have it in mind already, say once she did at Jamaica at the time, she had to go Carnival because the first time I went Carnival was 2019 and she one of the person where make me really forward for the Carnival because soca music is really my thing, you know. Dancehall, I say straight, dancehall, reggae music, that's my thing, you understand? Yeah, I'm stubborn when it comes on to reggae and dancehall. And 2019 was my first experience at Carnival and from a touch foot there for the first time, tell myself, say, if I get the opportunity again, I have to go. Because boy, I'm tell you this, if you know, you know. So yeah, Thursday we shot up. Shot over Ochi side and then slag over Kingston. Thursday night was tailgate, stadium car park. And the first me I hear about this party too, you know. As in I've never been to a party like this. So me never know say you're driving with your vehicle and you come you enter with your igloo and you bring your own liquor, you bring your own food, anything at all you bring. Me never know the whole settings of the party. And me not lie you boy. The party like big. The party big. Female like crazy. People like crazy. Yeah man, and me not lie you. Like, the thing though, with me, if you know me, when I go to a party more while, I like they know a corner where nobody nah to walk past me and I brush up on me and they spill and lick and they step on my shoes. I don't like them vibe, you see it? But this I want to know, my cousin them want to go up in the middle. Go stand up where everybody I walk past. You understand? So, I don't know, I just get paranoid when I'm in a middle of one party because I always a pre say, yo, war go on or something. You understand? Me just paranoid in way. And the party turned out good, I don't lie. The only gripe I have, them man have like a million songs can play. Every single selector we forward play Niger Boy song, Continent. Every one of them. Me hear that song them more than 4 times for the night. And the Chronicle song about Boop and the Idonia. Me hear them song them more than 4 times for the night. Every single selector will forward or repeat the same set of song them. Me don't know why. But it seems like the people where the patrons them in the party, them not meds that, you know. Cause them just go for have a good time. So them not really pre-say how that song they play already. But me and music, me study, me do. So that alone kill my vibe. Because I say, look how much songs out there. A whole heap of songs out there, you know, where hit songs, you know, where you don't play, you know. So I don't understand why you feel the need, say, you need to repeat that song you just play 5 minutes ago before you forward. You have to do better. You have to do better. As we say, you know, me never know say I like igloo and them thing there. So we done have a couple buckles already where we fly in with and we walk with them. So you don't know naturally we have to go buy chase and ice and them thing there. We go to the bar. Them tell me say them only sell ice by the bag. And me have to go now on next part to go get ice. And me did it. Me pray and me see a nigga walk up to the bar. And me see him walk away with a bucket of ice. So me say, alright, me walk go there so too. And a man tell me say 5 bills for a bucket of ice. Give man a 5 bills, you know say the man give me about 10 or 11 cube of ice in the bucket for the 5 bills. Yeah man. So me take it and I say nothing. Me circle back again. And say, yo, I need some more ice. And I give him the 5 bills again, you know. And the man come back with a bucket full. This time the bucket full to the brim. And the man give me back my money and tell me, say, the ice free. So how that go? The same person I tell you will just collect my money for 11 cube of ice, you know. When me give him the money, give me it back. And I say, yo, the ice free. So, I don't understand. I'm confused about that. But yeah, man. Got a party there. We left the party there. The next party was daybreak, which was Friday morning. Boom. Touch upon the daybreak. Brother. When we reach a Port Royal, I in a traffic for one good half an hour, if not more. In a traffic. And we have to drive past the venue and go park. We run around part. And then jump back on a shuttle bus to reach back the venue. Reach over there now. And I lie, people like rotted. Yeah man, even full up. It go on with that vibe still. Go on with that vibe, I lie. Like daybreak party never disappoint. Yeah man, daybreak never disappoint. And we did the way I go on with a vibe, same way. Ching take mic and doing thing. Call up Chris Gale and me say Wagon, Asafa Powell. And all of them turn dancer now. You see me? But that was a vibe. Big up yourself, Ching. You don't know a thing from day one and not today. You understand? A long time we do this. You're day one and you're really out too. So big up yourself, Ching. And I want to tell you, say, a Sunday morning about 5 o'clock, I left west. Big up GSC, I'm a real brother. GSC say, yo, if you're forward, roll in XYZ time. I say, alright, no problem. Roll in. I will link up. Because Jamaica Tourist Board link him up and say, yo, he need to come work. So a Jamaica Tourist Board, him shoot for him. Him do video, picture, he do everything. You understand? If you have a destination wedding anywhere at all, just link up Jason. Yeah man. So Jason say, yo, forward. Go forward, link up. You don't mind you know, I have nothing at all. I have no shots, I have nothing at all because I never planned for this whole carnival thing, to be honest. And I get a shirt, one of them carnival in Jamaica shirt eh? I get one and we did up on the tourist board truck. And a Gen X S or whatever they want to call it. Because remember, I don't really follow up the carnival thing to know which band and all these type of things. When I say people, I don't know if this are the biggest, but to me, this look like one of the biggest carnival. Because I read a thing where I look at, because I don't even want to tell a lie. No. I see a thing where say how much money they make. Oh, see there? Jamaica Carnival 2024 makes an estimated 32.5 million USD. And I don't joke money that for 1 day. Yeah, that's done 1 day on the road. From about 9 o'clock, 9:30 until the sun go down. 32.5 million. Yeah, man. So, it was a great success for them, you know. I see a thing with them attack say, them need to meet with the organizers of the carnival, all of the bands them and whatever. Because New Kingston was a mess Monday morning. You know, say when the march start, like when the truck them start roll out, the amount of people me see a walk and pick up garbage. So me don't know. And remember now, them people that can't just pick up themselves Sunday morning and say, oh, they want to lock down the whole Kingston, you know. They have to go through certain people. You understand? They have to go through certain heads of government. They have to go through certain organizations for get these roads closed down. So if you not go charge the people, why would you not charge them a money then to clean up the street? If you have like a carnival clean up after. Charge that in a package. And then again, some of them people are them just dirty and nasty too. I tell you that, some of them just dirty and nasty. And then again, you have spectators on the sideline. Them are contribute to this whole mess too, you know. Some of the Jamaican people are too dirty and nasty, man. Yeah, man, I can't say better. But yeah, man, the carnival going good. The carnival going good and I enjoy myself. I never on the road I do too much up and down because I did a shoot. Yeah, I did a shoot pictures and them thing there. You understand? And I got some great shots. Like, I feel proud of myself. Yeah, man. Got some great shots and yo, a long time I don't see so much beautiful female in a one little space. The woman them nice. I love me can't believe say some man go the other way. The woman them can't so nice and una made say yo, nah man, look at the woman them nice man. How do you feel pre otherwise? But yeah man, Carnival was a big success. And 2025, I would mind me get a local link for forward officially for shoot Carnival. Yeah man, so Jamaica Tourist Board or whosoever, which are the band them, remember I'm not tied to nobody, you know. So anyone who want to link me up, you can just link me up. Anything you want content wise, man, just link me up. Because you see from now until next year, them time yeah, you go see what go on. I don't live in Jamaica, you know. Yeah, I don't live in Jamaica, so just do the right thing and connect up, man. But yeah, man, Carnival, nice. And the next thing again to, you know, where more adjust still, you know, because me hear people that say dancehall I get fight and the Carnival event them a keep until daylight and whatever. Me can't talk about that because guess what, me no live in Jamaica and me no know what kind of permit these people are apply for. Them tell us a party are done 2 o'clock. The Carnival party them might done like say all 2:20 or 2:15. But whatever permit it look like them apply for, so it go. You understand? So me no know what kind of permit you apply for. And then you see in a dancehall too much corruption. More we got some dancehall party and for nothing at all, man a bus gunshot. 4. Eh? Them think they're unnecessary. In a dancehall party, the man a drink up them liquor and man go to step on their shoes. The man them want to fight, mash up the people in party. So what do you think gonna happen? What do you think gonna happen? And then you have some hot man where they hot around one party, you know, and then they left come a year good dancehall event. Want to come mash up it. So you can't run the police them, do you know? So if the police ain't going until 2 o'clock, exactly 2 o'clock, it's on to lock off. Me no wrong them. Me no business who wants to say Ray and Ray about me, about my opinion. Me no give a frig. I see him say go, and we make it bad. And we make it bad for our own self. So if the police they want to lock down the party them exactly 2 o'clock or no go to no extension or no forward out early and enjoy on yourself and go on the yard and have yard. Anyways, big up on yourself and go and subscribe, you know. You understand? I will it more content to now get you know. So make sure you click the bell. So as I go up bam and I press upload And if you the upload process and I go so bam and press publish, you get the notification. You see it, so do the right thing, man. A whole lot more things are forward.